The Garmin Autoland system has become a fixture in turbine aircraft with computerized engines and autothrottles. Now, Cirrus is bringing the same potentially life-saving technology to single-engine piston airplanes. If a pilot becomes incapacitated or overwhelmed, Safe Return can take control of the airplane at the touch of a single button.
Alright, here we go. So you'll feel that power start to come back. Gonna sequence into that flare sequence. Looking for the center line. And there we are. So you'll see the flaps start to come up as we roll out. And those brakes will start to apply. It'll be a nice even braking pressure. Now that we're come to a stop, that mixture is going to start to come back. I haven't touched anything. The brakes are automatic. Okay, here comes that mixture. It's going to pull all the way back to the engine shutdown. And then we'll get a screen that explains
the airplane and propeller
how to egress from the airplane.
Exiting.
Yeah, that's different, all right.
To exit, lift
Nice
the
and
handle
safe.
on each